How much does an electrician make in Portugal? The average salary of an electrician in Portugal is 18,900 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you bring home $13,700. This leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $1,142 each month. Electrician salary in Portugal is usually higher in big cities, so if you work in Lisbon, your take-home pay goes up to $16,200. Pay outside Lisbon drops to a lower level, but lower rent and living costs often offset that gap. When you start out as a beginner, your electrician income stays well below these numbers. Pay goes up quickly during your first few years, though it can plateau if you stay in the same basic role. An official degree helps because it adds to your technical knowledge, which is why educated workers move up faster. That same training lets you step into higher roles like electrical inspector or project manager. On top of that, learning extra skills in this field helps you earn even more.